In this video, I will show you how you can make mass changes. These changes you can make directly in concretely active contract, and it's described in another video. It's also possible to make massive changes, for example, change contracts financing rates on all active contracts from one customer. Click on Processing, Changes, and Change Contracts Financing Rate. In section Options, you can load data from financing product, but you can also set it by your own. For example, 4 and 3, and new financing rate total will be 7%. And in Filter Financing Header, you can choose, for example, financing type loan, financing product code, interest, customer, for example, real estate, and all the contracts which are in status active. And yes. In this case, it's 0, but if you have these parameters for some contract, it will be changed. You can also change contracts payment terms. In section Options, you can enter, for example, new payment terms code 14 days. And in section Filter Financing Header, for example, financing type loan and installment sale, financing product code, for example, interest, customer, for example, this one, and for all contracts which are in status active. OK and yes. And you can see changed contracts. As you can see, one contract couldn't be changed because it's not according to our parameters, and change result is error. You can also see error detail. Thank you for attention.